Look at them moving a mass. It's like the whole thing's moving. That's so cool. The queen's body is a lot longer than her wings, like almost double. Okay, I guess we're gonna get rid of this one. We're gonna have to because this isn't gonna work. Sassafras. So we have our friends, our local West Virginia friends showed us how to find sassafras after we searched twice and didn't find but one little one. They found 100 of them in the same spot we were looking. So they found a tree that was kind of dying. It was about, say 4 inches in diameter or so. And so I dug it up with the excavator. You take everything from the ground level down, and especially in the spring as the sap starts rising, and it smells just like root beer. I mean, that's what they used to make root beer from, is sassafras. So we use it to make sassafras tea. So we've got a bunch of root here. We're gonna pressure wash it, get all the dirt off of it. Somehow, I guess I'm gonna take a chainsaw, cut it up into pieces, because we can't fit that whole root into the freezer. But we put it in the freezer, it'll last forever. So I think we have enough sassafras there for a couple of days anyway.
For a couple of days anyway. I guess we should share.
So let's get it clean. Boy, if you could just smell it, it's amazing to smell. We'll clean it a little bit, then we'll cut all the roots off like these.
Yeah.
We'll start whittling it down. How many times do you think you can boil that and make tea?
4 or 5.
4 or 5. Just that big a one? Or can we cut that up into pieces?
If you cut it up into pieces, I would probably still put that whole thing. You know, I usually put like 4 pieces. But I think if you boil that like that, you wouldn't get all of it out of there. No, you could do it 4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you just boil it until it's the consistency that you want. You can have it like a light color red. You can have it really, really dark red, so it's really strong.
Right? Wow.
So I'd say that rock's been in there a while.
No kidding. Look at that. Sandstone.
Yeah.
A bigger tool.
You shouldn't be doing that with your hand.
I don't think it's going to be, I don't think I can do anything about it.
Right.
Wow. Problem is I can't get a chainsaw in there. That'd be ugly. So, let's see. Let's come at it from this side. No, I saw a toy for you at the store that I picked up that I think you'll quite enjoy.
What you got? I know, I see that. The ball fairy came, huh? Bought you a new Kong. Let me kick it. Ready? All right, just finishing up with the sassafras. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll probably end up with 6-gallon baggies full of sassafras root that we're going to go ahead and put in the freezer. So that should keep us going for probably another year.
All right, we're going to get into the bees. I haven't been up here since I put everything in from the tree. It's the one on the left. We're going to take all those boxes off, take the frames out. We're going to look for the queen, and we are going to try to find, we're going to clean out the old comb that I took out of the tree. We're going to put new comb in there. We're going to give them some honey if they don't have any, but you can see they're super busy. All right, let's take that off. Let's look at the bees on the inside. All nice and calm. Okay. All right. What we want to do is look in the middle here. We're looking for any brood at all or anything. That's all right. They're just cleaning it up, which is good. Yep, just cleaning it up. See, there's nothing here. There's no brood, there's no eggs, right? There's no honey, there's no nectar, there's nothing, right? So we're going to take all this off.
Okay.
Okay. You can pick that one up and just set it aside.
Just on the ground somewhere?
Yeah. All right. So, see, they cleaned it right out.
Good.
All right, so here we've got, these look like, this was eggs that they abandoned. Looks like to me.
Yeah.
So most of them are down below.
Yeah, you can
Hear them. You can take that right now and set it over with the other ones. We're gonna take them all off of these. Just take the brush. Just brush them down. Use a brush and brush all the bees off into here.
Okay, from the frames.
Yeah. Okay, take this box off. This is propolis. This is resin from trees.
Okay.
They bring in and they use to build with.
So propolis is the same as beeswax?
No, wax is this is wax.
Okay.
That's propolis.
How is it different?
Wax is made. They make the wax from their glands, where propolis is made from the resin from trees.
Got it.
Hear the wire?
Yeah.
Doing. So what they've done here is it sounds like they have built it together. I'll get one out. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm gonna be careful here because she could be in here.
Okay.
All right. They're putting. You see the hunt. You see the.
Yeah.
That's all nectar they're bringing in.
Okay. And that's we want that.
Yeah, that's how they make honey, right?
Yep.
So they'll work on that. They'll cap that. See, they've already capped some of it.
Yep.
They'll cap that. It's pretty heavy on this side.
Right there. He's in there.
Yep, she's in there. So that's all good. This will all go in the bottom one.
Okay.
We're just gonna put this right here for right now. Now we got a mess. All right. So here's Here's a hive. Here's part of what I took out of the tree. So what we're looking for here is the queen, first of all. But really, before we look for the queen, if we see the queen, that'd be great. But what we're really looking for is eggs.
Okay. This all just seems like the nectar, though.
That right there could be a queen cell right there.
Mm-hmm.
They'll make that and go down because it's got to be bigger.
Yeah, and there's another one.
But there's nothing in it. See, there's nothing in them.
Yeah.
Take those guys out because we're going to not going to use that anymore. See, this is one. This one was a good one that I had.
Mm-hmm.
All nectar. Okay, if she's here, she's in the lower box. If she's here, she'll be in the middle. She'll be in the middle couple of boxes.
Okay.
We don't want this propolis. They're building this propolis on here because they were trying to put those frames together. We'll use this one. Let's make sure she's not in here. This is that wire one. Make sure this is propolis and not kill that one. Look at all that nectar.
Mm-hmm.
Should have done this last week, but my hands were killing me. So we're gonna have to get them to get all that out of there. I don't know if I can keep that or not. I probably could. It's on that wire pretty good. We're gonna put this back in here for right now.
Okay.
So that's a frame I put in there. They're not using. So if she's here, she's in the bottom. They're not using that one, and they're not using this one. See, they're on the inside, almost always. Not using that one. Okay, you can take that box.
Okay. I need to move this guy.
Few bees in there. There's where they all are. They're down here. Smoke if you would. Drive them down. These are all came out of the tree.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
See, that was.
Right?
Yeah, that was brood,
Yeah.
but they didn't hatch. It doesn't matter. We're gonna get George gonna trash it. Okay, so they're kind of building this out, which is good, but I don't see any eggs.
Okay.
I don't see any, you know, you can see where they're working on it.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
There you
There's
go.
a lot of bees on there, isn't there?
Yes, sir.
So that's her old, this is the old frame with,
Can you hold it?
you know, this is the old frame with the old thing on it, the old comb on it. See it?
Yeah.
So let's smoke this.
There's stuff in here.
Yep, that's brood. She may be on here somewhere. That's brood. Definitely brood. So she's laying in this. God, that looks like a queen cell right there, but there's nothing in it.
And so she's the longer.
Oh yeah, she's definitely. You'll see. If you see her, you'll see her. It'll be. See, there's a drone. I can't. You know. There's two drones right there.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Yep. There's a drone right there.
Yeah.
Look at them moving a mass. It's like the whole thing's moving. That's so cool. I'm tempted to leave this in there.
Yeah.
Because they're definitely growing in there. Even though it's out further than I want it,
Yeah.
I'm still tempted.
There's also a bunch that are still in there.
Oh, down there. Okay, I guess we're gonna get rid of this one. We're gonna have to because this isn't gonna work. I just hope she's in here, I can get her off here. All right, we're going to honey, put that on the outside. Let's see what we got here. So the darker ones are normally brood chambers, so we're going to put a dark one there. That's a honey. That's a honey. That's a honey. 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 That's brood, I think. So we're going to leave that one in. We're going to put this one in. We'll leave this one. We'll leave this one. We'll leave this one. Did we not do this over here? Both of these out at the same time, I think. I'm hold the bottom one. I'm going to take the top one. See if we can pull that right off. Alright, go ahead and take that one off too.
Take this one?
Take this, yep. There we go. We're going to shake all the beads off of that one. Put this back in. You can go like this, just shake it. Shake it off. Or brush them off or something. Okay. We're just going to leave this like right here, right? So they'll find it.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a super on top of this.
Okay, a super is
a smaller one, right? A smaller one.
That's a super.
So yeah, that's a super. So we'll smoke these guys all down, and then line this up. All right, everyone. Everyone down. Punch. Yeah. I mean, 80,000 bees, it's hard to...
Yeah.
Okay, I need you one more thing from me.
What's that?
Go down to, go into the freezer.
Okay.
And bring me a frame of honey in it.
Okay.
Nice popsicle. Yep. Okay, let me just even these out so that they have the same amount of room on either side. Give them time to settle down.
Okay.
What you doing, Mom? Hey, Joe. How you doing? We put all the goats out. And look at Joe. She's almost walking in a straight line. Hey, girl. Ooh, much tired. Okay, come here, Bob. Come here, Bob. I'm going to go ahead and throw Bob out. Oh, my goodness. You're getting fat. Big and fat. Big and fat. How'd you get so big and fat? There we go. Out you go. Boop. All right. Hey, girl. You bet your mama's doing better of walking around. Are you feeling better? Tell everybody, say, yes, I'm feeling a little better. Said, I'm not 100% yet. But thank everybody for the well wishes. Thank everybody for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next week.